Good, lovely evening. In the very ancient world, something really happened. Something really messed up happened. The meanings of words became centered on the idea of division. Division became the center point of meaning. This really goofed things up in many ways. We can talk about that in other videos. Briefly, stress increased, people felt worse, and people became blocked from finding solutions to many things. Life got worse and worse, and happened. However, each person that I've seen to replace the division center point with a center point of oneness so that their meanings were reformed in terms of oneness, each person to do that has felt better and better and better and better. Stress has gone down, 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 and they've had breakthrough upon breakthrough upon breakthrough upon breakthrough. This has happened in a very predictable, very repeatable fashion. In fact, 100% of people who have changed the center point of their thought from division to oneness have felt better and better and better, have had less and less stress, and have breakthrough upon breakthrough upon breakthrough upon breakthrough. In fact, each meaning that gets changed in terms of oneness results in a breakthrough. And a single breakthrough can really remake life. So it's not a small thing. When we look at the scene around us, we are conditioned to think in terms of division, the tree being separate from the grass, and so forth. However, let's look at physical reality. In quantum mechanics, when two particles, such as atoms or photons, interact in such a way that they become entangled, those two particles are no longer two particles, but they form a unity. When two photons interact, they form a duoton. The duoton is not partly here or partly here. The duoton is a single unity, a single oneness, a single entity. In 2004, the preeminent physicist Thomas Durt, D-U-R-T, showed that whenever there's interaction, except in rare cases, there is entanglement. When two atoms interact, they become entangled. The atoms in the sun, when they interact, they become entangled, unifying the whole sun. The photons going through the atmosphere of the sun entangle with the atmosphere. On their way to the earth, they strike the earth and unify the earth with the sun. The moon is unified with the sun. The whole solar system is unified. Light from distant stars and distant galaxies strikes the earth, unifying the earth and the solar system with the distant galaxies. In other words, the universe is a oneness, a single thing, because everything is constantly interacting, everything is therefore entangled, therefore everything is a unity. Things are not simply entangled together, but rather a single thing. So, from the standpoint of oneness, we can see that if meanings are based upon division, those meanings are flawed. In fact, because of the flaws, which are huge flaws, they're flaws right at the center of how the universe exists. Because those flaws are so significant, they grossly misrepresent reality, especially when one meaning of a word and another meaning of a word and another meaning gang together, forming sentences and thoughts. Then we get skewed thoughts, skewed sentences, skewed ideas that skew our lives. And all of this skewing is not the fault of people, it's the fault of ancient language restructured based upon division. So you have an option if you want to pursue it, and that is to gradually and consistently, if you like, enjoy the process of changing out the idea of division from one meaning after another, and putting in the idea of oneness in one meaning after another. By doing this, you feel better and better and better. You get less and less and less stress, and you have breakthrough after breakthrough after breakthrough, and your abilities increase to boot. That was one of my dad's favorite sayings. He would say, to boot, in other words, in addition. So, have a lovely day or evening or morning or night, and I'll see you in the next video.